Hey everyone, welcome back to the Limpiar Cleaning channel. Today, we've got a game changer for all you busy bees out there. Quick and easy time-saving cleaning tips for those of us with hectic lives. Let's dive right in. We all know how demanding life can get, and sometimes cleaning takes a backseat. But fear not. Limpiar is here with some incredible tips to keep your space tidy and your schedule intact. First up, let's talk about being prepared. Invest in a small cleaning caddy, a portable powerhouse of cleaning supplies. Having everything you need in one spot saves time and avoids the frustrating search for that elusive spray bottle. Now, who's up for a challenge? Set a timer for 10 minutes and tackle a cleaning sprint. It's amazing what you can achieve in a focused burst of cleaning. It's like a mini workout for your living space. Next on our list, the unsung heroes of cleaning, microfiber cloths. These little wonders make quick work of dust and grime, cutting down your cleaning time significantly. Keep them handy in key areas like the kitchen and bathroom for on-the-spot cleaning. Let's talk teamwork. If you're not flying solo, delegate cleaning responsibilities. Create a shared schedule or assign specific tasks to family members or roommates. It's a collaborative effort that makes the cleaning process more efficient. Now, of course, we can't forget the Limpiar touch. Our team at Limpiar is all about efficiency and excellence. We bring professional cleaning to your doorstep, saving you time and ensuring your space is spotless. Ever feel like your wardrobe is staging a rebellion? Simplify it, declutter, organize, and streamline your wardrobe. This not only saves time in the morning, but also reduces the time spent cleaning and organizing. So there you have it, quick and easy time-saving cleaning tips brought to you by Limpiar. Don't let a busy schedule keep you from having a clean and organized space, whether you're doing quick sprints or optimizing your wardrobe. Limpiar is here to make your life a little cleaner and a lot more organized. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more cleaning insights, and share your time-saving tips in the comments below. Until next time, happy cleaning